Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl in the flesh, ArneishaNicole. So I'm back with another wig review tutorial on this beautiful hair. But first, I want to get into the fact that this week's video is a collaboration with my girl Shannon, aka Sawlife. If you guys do not know who she is, you definitely need to check her out. She's been very supportive. She is funny as hell, and you will definitely be entertained when you watch her videos. But she also gives you the real tea and lets you know how she really feels about the unit. She's not going to sugarcoat anything, and I love that about her. She has such a great spirit, and you can tell that she's a genuine and loving person through the camera. So every time I watch her videos, I leave her videos feeling happy and knowing that I got a good laugh, because laughter is good for the soul. But anyway, I'm gonna stop talking, but thank you so much, Shannon, for collaborating with me. You know I appreciate you. I tell you this all the time. And you guys, after you watch my video, make sure you head over to Shannon's video and let her know that Arneisha sent you, and make sure you like, subscribe, share her videos, and support my girl. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay guys, so I am super excited about this wig that I'm reviewing today. I went ahead and showed you guys a few styles, but this is like my favorite style. I had to put it back like this. After I put it like this, I really didn't want to do any more styles. But anywho, I am reviewing the Outre Converti-Cap. Hope I said that right. And I got the style Bahama Mama. I like that name, Bahama Mama. I like Bahama Mama drinks too. In the color 1B from samsbeauty.com, and she was $14.99. So definitely very affordable. She comes in a variety of colors, honey. And the colors are on the back of this card. And it says it has a deluxe cap and it lays flat. So the cool thing about this unit, the new unit that they came out with, is that you can wear it several ways. They say, what does it say? One wig, a million ways, honey. And the key features of this unit is limitless styling possibilities. Reveal your own hairline for a realistic look. You could reveal your hairline or you could hide your hairline, honey. You know, some people struggle with their hairline. But anyway, we're not going to talk about that. Then it says breathable and flexible cap that lays flat. I cannot talk, excuse me. Then adjustable drawstring for a custom fit. And it says premium synthetic fibers. So up here it shows 3 ways right here. So it has half up like I have, half up, half down. Then it has like the little headband, and you could leave out minimal hair or no hair at all, honestly. And then they have the hair in the front, the like Macy Gray thing going on. So you could switch this wig up so many ways, and it shows you how, if you're struggling to know how to do that, it shows you how to go about it step by step. And I love that. So the cap does have a comb right here in the front, but it's not one of those big long combs that we're used to seeing in half wigs. They have 2 combs on the side, and then they have a comb at the back, and they have the drawstring, because you could also wear this unit as a ponytail. So they give you a bunch of different ways that you can wear this. And up here it says less leave out if you're worried about leave out. The adjustable drawstring, and then it says breathable net cap. Yes, I don't feel like I'm dying under here. I don't feel like I have a hat on, none of that. So the placements of the combs I like. The drawstring I like. If you want to wear it in a ponytail, you can secure it. You don't have to worry about it falling off. You have the combs on the side for the ponytail. You have the combs on the side if you want to leave like half of your hair out and do like a deep side part. So it's so many different styles that you can do that I didn't even do. So the pros is the amount of styling you can do. You don't have to leave out a lot of your hair. The style, I love the style of the hair. I didn't get any tangling or shedding. I didn't have to cut any lace. No lace comes on it. You may get a few snags every now and then when you do a ponytail or something like that, but it's no big deal. It's very lightweight. It's very full. You can't feel, you know, like tracks. It just feels like a freaking cap with hair on it, if that makes sense. So I'm really loving everything about it. It definitely lays flat. It's no bulkiness at all. So there's so many pros about it, and it's affordable. And it comes in so many different colors. So guys, there's nothing really bad I can say about this unit. I would definitely say get it. Like, I don't have any cons right now. I don't. I feel like if I keep putting my hands in it, it'll get bigger and it'll probably get tangled after a while. But I mean, it is what it is. Just get another one. It's $14.99. Like, it's it's nothing wrong with it. Oh yeah, and it's big head friendly too. So like, it'll fit your head, and you can adjust it. So I mean, I like it. I was kind of skeptical because I didn't know, you know, like I was like, oh, it's just a half wig, you know, but there's so much you can do with it. You wear it as ponytail, half wig, and I love that these companies are making the wigs in different ways that you can do more styles than just one with it, so you get more a bang for your buck. Basically, you're getting a whole bunch of hairstyles out of one wig. So I would definitely probably be trying more of these if they're not sold out. I'll definitely be trying a few more of these because I really like it, and I think you guys should pick it up. Like, I'm sold on this one. I really like it. So yeah, guys, if you like it, you could go ahead and pick it up. And this is also a good wig for the little headband trend that's going on, honey. Get you one of these because you can wear it however the hell you want to. But yeah, I recommend this, and if I left anything out, I'll definitely leave it down below in the description box, as long I can't even talk, as well as the links to purchase. So yeah, Bahama Mama is a go. I like her. So make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and share my videos. And thank you once again for helping me reach 1,000 subscribers. I appreciate you guys so much. And yeah, thank you guys. And until next time, peace.